Have you ever poured your heart into someone, only to be met with silence? That gut-wrenching moment when she ignores your texts, avoids eye contact, or acts like you don't exist, it's brutal. You feel powerless, confused, maybe even angry. But what if I told you? Her silence is your greatest weapon. What if, by doing nothing, you could flip the script and make her chase you? Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll learn the psychological secrets to turn her indifference into obsession. These aren't games. These are power moves. Let's dive in. Most men crumble when ignored. They double text, beg for attention, or worse, act desperate. But here's the truth. Women test you through silence. She's waiting to see if you break, so give her nothing. Mirror her energy. If she leaves you on read, vanish for days. If she acts cold in person, laugh with friends like she's invisible. This isn't petty, it's strategy. By refusing to react, you expose her game, and suddenly she's the one wondering, why doesn't he care? Here's the hard truth. She wants you to panic. Your emotional reaction feeds her ego, so freeze her out. When she ignores you, smirk like you've got a secret. Stay polite but detached, like a CEO handling a minor inconvenience. This level of unshakable confidence screams, I've got options. And guess what? Nothing terrifies a woman more than a man who's unfazed by her silence. Right now, she's living rent-free in your mind. Evict her. For 30 days, no stalking her social media, asking friends about her, daydreaming about what-ifs. Replace her with savage self-improvement. Hit the gym, learn a skill, stack cash. When she finally checks in, she'll find an upgraded version of you, one who's forgotten her name. Silence isn't enough. You need to haunt her. Post clips of you crushing goals. Show up looking sharper than ever. Casually mention your new hobbies. When she sees you thriving without her, it'll hit her like a freight train. He didn't just move on. He leveled up without me. Warning, this hurts. But if she's ignoring you, go full blackout, block her, avoid her, become a ghost. She'll notice, and her curiosity will skyrocket. Why? Because humans crave what they can't have. Let her marinate in regret while you reclaim your power. She thought you'd crumble. Show her the opposite. Launch that side hustle, get jacked, travel solo. Let her hear about your wins through the grapevine. Nothing stings more than realizing the guy you ignored is now out of your league. Your mission? Make her think, damn, he's having fun without me. Go to parties, post candid laughs, be the guy who's too busy winning to notice her silence. She'll either crawl back or you'll attract someone better. Here's the twist. Her ignoring you was a gift. It revealed her true colors. Now you're free, stronger, smarter. So whether she comes back or not, you win. Because the prize was never her. It's the unshakable man you've become. Drop unstoppable in the comments if you're ready to turn pain into power. Then watch this video next. It reveals the 3 secret signs a woman is secretly obsessed with you, even if she plays hard to get. Smash subscribe and I'll see you in the next battle.